Okay, I've shaped my shelf and it is now ready to be nailed in, so we'll show you how to do that. I'll ask you what side is the side you want up, and then we'll fit it so we get our best fit, and then we're going to go ahead and show you how to nail it. Now, I need to hold it like this while you nail it, so Mr. Poppy is going to help me here. Alright, there's 2 nails and didn't go through, and if needs be I'll help get the nailer in the correct position so we don't nail through. Alright, and there it is. The corner shelf is now ready for finish. You may just need to touch up a little bit on the ends to make sure that they are square and that they are the same length as each other. You can see the nails that hold the corner shelf in and also the way it looks.